very happy with Hitachi, and for the last 2 summers, 2016 and 2017, we probably installed close to 300 to 350 Hitachi interactive projectors. Parkland School District, we're located in southeastern Pennsylvania, about 40 to 50 miles north of Philly. We have a total of 11 schools with 2 administration buildings. We have 1 high school with 3,200 kids, 2 middle schools, approximately 1,000 kids each, and then 8 elementary schools. We're going to be opening up our 9th elementary school in fall of 2020. Currently, we have 348 of the Hitachi interactive projectors. That's K through 8, 348. And the final 125 will be installed in summer 2019. And then that will outfit all classrooms K through 8 with the Hitachi interactive projectors. And we're going to be really happy about that.
Technology has really changed how classroom instruction is done. This is my 11th year teaching overall, and I started with the overhead projector with a clear vis-a-vis marker, and I was using tissues to wipe it off, and now we've got these great projectors and these interactive boards where kids can come up. They can do all types of things. There's all types of tools they can use, especially with math. You can use a protractor, you can use a compass on the board. It's really done a lot for student engagement.
I always look at it as no news is good news. If you're not hearing from the teachers, usually everything's going great. When we do hear back from the teachers, they love it.
A big thing for the teacher has been the resources available. It's amazing how you can present a lesson 20 different ways and provide real-world applications on a daily basis, using the web and other programs that what we have available to us. And Parkland's done a great job with providing us with those programs. Instead of starting with a warm-up on a whiteboard, we can present it in a much more entertaining way.
We know that we're going to get many years out of these Hitachi projectors. The ones that we installed in 2016, believe it or not, I think I only replaced a few bulbs so far. I mean, these things are just workhorses. They just run and run and run.
It always works, and I like that about it. I've never had any real issues with it. It's very reliable, and it's like an extension of my computer. I expect it to work, and it never has let me down, so I'm happy to use it on a day in, day out basis.
We're creating a lot of collaborative spaces and maker spaces where kids can work in small groups rather than the traditional kind where you're just sitting in a classroom being lectured at from a teacher.
Putting technology in their fingertips and having it so that it can literally project onto my board. There are moments when someone's doing something that you just have to capture that moment and put it up on the screen so everyone can see what we're doing. I think this generation, it's not just social media and it's not just video games, but they're geared to see it and to create it.
The Hitachi One Vision Kids program, 3 things that we really like are the advanced replacement, that's great. The extended warranty, that's great. And the extended lamp warranty. The budget is public. So every year when the budget is finalized in early May, people can go out and it's posted and they can find all that information. So if you have a good product right from the get-go, then you're not going to have to worry about. And knowing that you got the extended warranty with it, it just makes it that so much better. So that's why we're really happy to be with Hitachi.